Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode. I am here in Boulder Creek, California, and I am trying to make a left right now. This is alright, a little busy in this intersection. We are going to be going up Bear Creek Road, if I can find it. Never been up this road before. It's been recommended to me a couple times. So basically what the route should look like is we go up Bear Creek Road, and then here it is, and then we are going to link up with Highway 35. Once we get to 35, it'll be a straight shot back to Highway 9. If I'm a little raspy, it's because the heat is like definitely, been like inhaling a lot of that hot air. I just took a small break before jetting back up to Skyline. Temperature currently is 93 degrees. My bike is running pretty hot, 190. Officially, I have 26,240 miles on my F309. So far, this road is pretty wide open. I mean, like, I thought it was going to be a lot narrower. So I was kind of expecting a very small road. Like, I was expecting like a lane about this size, cut in half. Yeah, no, I just kind of see why people recommend it. It appears to be a really spirited road. Like, you could draw some pretty good lines here, although it is a little bumpy. This person's gonna let me go. Thank you. Man, it's kind of dark down here in the shade. It is a little bit cooler, which I like, but when I was climbing up Highway 17 earlier today, I felt that it was really hot on top of the hill. So I'm wondering if I'm gonna have the same experience. Next 8 miles. I hope there's a sign for Highway 35, because if there isn't, I'm gonna have to like slow down for every like road I see. The sure beats actually going up Highway 9 right now. There's a lot of people on Highway 9, so this is kind of a nice, I wouldn't call it a shortcut, but a good detour. Kind of popped up fast on me. I need to tighten up my suspensions. Definitely time. Not the fast switchbacks here. Wow, once you get into the groove of this road, it's actually like, it's pretty fun. I'm down for it. If I were on like an actual sport bike, I mean, like, this is a road definitely I could see like all my sport bike friends dragging me on. Alright, out of the sun, which is great. The air up here is actually much cooler. Hang out up here for a while. Is this it? Is this it? 35. Alright, Highway 35. Ooh, that came up real fast. Alright, single lane road. This will be single lane road for a couple miles. It appears to be repaved. That's nice. Wow. Okay, so I've never been up here before, so I shall ride with some caution because I don't know how busy it is up here at the moment. Car. Yeah, once we get to the double lane roads, then we'll be able to come in a little bit more spiritedly. But it is pretty up here. Wow. That's really nice. I kind of want to take a photo real quick. Yeah, it's I mean, this isn't that bad. There's just a lot of leaves on the ground. And then these turns are just like so like abrupt. Oh, I wonder what it's like to live up here. Must be so quiet. Oh, Christmas trees. It's a Christmas tree farm. Looks like they're all ready to go. Look at that. This lane is like really pretty. There's not even any tar snakes on it. It's like something out of a. They should really like do a like a magazine shoot or something with like some cars or bikes up here. Oh no. Ooh, that was close. Man, just this section alone could be its own vlog. I'm still not even sure like how much longer it is to double lane roads, but it shouldn't be too far. I don't think. I'm pretty sure I'm still going the right way. Need some oxygen. That's a little better. I usually keep my visor down so I don't have the wind in the mic, but we'll see how this works out. Yeah, one thing I love about this bike definitely is once I get to low RPMs, like it still takes it takes a lot for this thing to stall. I'm in third gear. I'm like riding really low, like 2000 RPMs, and it's not even like juddering, which is great. Yay, we made it. All right. So this is just 2 lanes now. And this should take us back to Highway 9, which is good. Just enjoy the air right now. I have never been on this side of Highway 35, south of Highway 9. So every time I get to Highway 9, usually it's just, you know, either to Saratoga or Santa Cruz. So coming through here is actually kind of interesting because as many times as I've been on Highway 35, I've just never seen this section of it. Man, this turn is so nice. I love it when like I'm on a part of a road and I just feel like I'm on another world. This is insane. Now this section of Highway 35 has these really long sweepers, just like contiguous, like, and their camber is really good. It's kind of hypnotizing because you're just kind of in this like turn and it just goes on forever. Temperature dropped. Oh, here we go. Oh man, we made it. Okay. I think he knew I wasn't gonna make that turn. My ABS started kicking on. Oh man, there's no shade here. Oh, there's some. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. That was my first time on Bear Creek Road and also that section of Highway 35. So if you like that, give it a like or leave a comment. As usual, I do appreciate you guys joining me for this ride, and I will see you all next time. Later. That's going to do it for today's episode. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel or follow me on my social media here at Instagram or TikTok. Later.